Did you know that we're giving away $200 in Amazon gift cards? That's right, $200 in Amazon gift cards. This is not clickbait. Check out this video right over here if you are interested, and stay tuned and watch this whole video to get more full instructions on how to claim your $200 of Amazon gift cards. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We post every single week, at least once a week, and we talk about graphic design, tech, and so much more. So in this video, I want to talk about the stimulus, how does that correlate with graphic design, and how you can make some money in graphic design. So in this video, I want to talk about the stimulus package and how does that correlate with graphic design. As you know, that right now with the stimulus bill, it is very uncertain. It's something that's not really been approved yet. There's just a huge tug of war between two different parties, and hopefully something does get approved, but right now it's very uncertain and we really don't know much about the future and if this will even get approved. I mean, we're already hitting November now. So I would just say that for anyone who is hoping the stimulus comes, I hope it does as well. Right now we're going through this unpredictable time, and a lot of people are not working. They're furloughed, they have no jobs, they have families to take care of, have to pay their rent, their mortgage, and so forth. So I know the Americans are really struggling. So I do and hope and I pray that something does come out about this very, very soon, so that we can have some direction of what's really going on. But as for right now, it's all just speculation. So I would just say, keep looking out for that news. Hopefully something does come about. But in the meantime, if you are a graphic designer, I'm going to share with you a few things that could help you out in getting some income in, and hopefully soon as well. So now watch the video to the very end, because I'm going to share with you two things that maybe you have not thought of or have came across yet. So stay tuned for that. But right now I'm going to talk to you about the obvious, which is go ahead and apply for a job. I know right now it seems kind of what's the point? No one's hiring, but you never know. Go online, look for jobs, for graphic design jobs. There's so many jobs out there, and if not in your state, try a different state, and hopefully you get something that suits your talent and that the company is worthy of hiring you. And so in the meantime, work on your portfolio, freshen up that resume, that cover letter, your website, send them the links, your business cards, whatever it takes. You have to call the person, reach out to them. So that's the first thing I would say, is just be open-minded to jobs, because you never know. You could find something really, truly amazing when you're able to work right now, maybe even remotely. So look out for that. The second thing is freelance. I mean, if you have clients, keep freelancing. And if you don't have any clients, or if you want to increase your clients, you know, there really is no secret to getting graphic design clients. It's just the work you put in. So there is reaching out to them, calling people, calling companies, calling your local mom and pop shops. It's calling friends and family, seeing if they know anybody. It's sending out email blasts, working on your website, putting a Facebook page together for your company or yourself as a designer, and just reaching out to people. And that's really the way to do it. You can also look at ads and see whoever is looking for a freelance designer, you know, part-time, full-time, per diem, whatever the case may be. So look out for that. There are opportunities for that as well. The other thing I would say is, once you have looked at for jobs, full-time or part-time, you looked at freelance work, you still have nothing to find. You looked at the ads, you've looked at Facebook, you looked at sending out your email blasts, you've called people that you know who could help you, and still have nothing. Here's a few things that you can try. Actually, two things that has been working for me, and I hope that it helps you out as well. So coming from a design agency background, the way an agency works is they try to aim to have their jobs, at least for their company, their agency, booked for the whole year, or 6 months at least advance. Because the thing is, that's how they maintain and keep their doors open. If they are having jobs come in frequently and the work orders are being processed. So you never know. Reach out to and Google, look up your local design agencies, call them on the phone, because most likely they're all working remotely from home. So call them and ask them, hey, I'm a designer, just finished school, here's my portfolio. Or hey, I'm a designer, here's my portfolio, I've been in this business for so long and I have this much experience. Or do you guys have any projects that I can help take on? Or maybe you can test out my design skill, give me a test. Or if you can just take a look at my work, I would love to partner with you guys, help you out. Here's my rate, this is what I go with, and let me know, because you'll be surprised. There's so many agencies right now who have work, and there's so much work to do. With an agency, there's always so much work to do. Even though business right now may be slow, of the pandemic, but since they're booked for the whole 6 months, they have to get those work orders done. They have to meet their deadlines. So if you haven't tried this yet, and I feel like a lot of people don't talk about this subject, and I feel like it's one of the creative ways where you can find work if you really have exhausted all the first few things that I talked about. So try this approach. Call your local design agencies, even call out of state, and see if they have any work for you, because that could really be helpful. And I think also that you'll be surprised of how much work comes your way. And it could be as small as a print production job where you have to go and align the colors, you have to go and fix and tweak this, or cleanup work. But it's something that you'll be doing. And then eventually you keep sticking with this, you'll have a client, maybe you have 2 clients, you can reach out to another design agency, and you'll be surprised how much work there is to do. And then on top of that, maybe they'll give you bigger projects like logo work or rebranding or something truly amazing like a catalog or a magazine or so forth. So give that a go, give that a shot. See if you got any work from this, and if you don't get something the first 5 times you call, keep trying. Reach out to people, email, website, call them, and hopefully you get something your way. I hope you do. The other way that I would say right now is a lot of businesses that are local mom and pop shops that are really struggling to get clients, to get customers, whether it's for their restaurant or for any other business. See if they need help with their online presence. See if they need help with their social media page, their Facebook page, a website, a brochure, a catalog, or something that they want to put online. Because a lot of companies right now, you'll be surprised that they haven't made that transition yet from print to online. And there's so many out there. Now, these are going to be like your local shops here and there. You can also obviously call out of state or whatever you have to reach out and see if they have any work for you that they need help with, because a lot of them do need help and they really don't have the time, or they don't have the help to have someone guide them and walk them through it. A lot of these aren't going to be high budget customers, but it's something in the meantime to get you going, and to keep that work going, that momentum as you build up your clients, your freelance work. So this is a great approach. Try that, call them right now and see if you can get something working. Just introduce yourself. Hey, my name is so-and-so. I'm a designer. I was just calling to see if you guys have a website. Or hey, I saw your business. I was passing by and I was just really curious if you guys have a website. Or hey, do you guys have like a Facebook page? I noticed you don't. I really couldn't find you online. I was having a hard time. Do you need any help making that transition from print to online? Because a lot of customers, believe it or not, that's how they find your business, and that's how you want to also reach out to them as well. And so do that, try that, see if that works. I hope those 2 things have helped you. Those are my 2 tips outside of the obvious, which is applying for jobs, freelance, getting clients, because those 2 things right now I think will really help you in this pandemic. Because number 1, design agencies are really struggling to get their work out there, and they have so much work backed up for 6 months, even maybe 12 months in advance that they have to get done. And number 2, a lot of local restaurants or businesses or whatever the case may be, small businesses, need help getting their product out there if they haven't made that transition yet from print to online. So do those 2 things. I hope that helps you out. Comment below if you found this video helpful. I hope you did. The last thing I want to say is about that giveaway. Okay, so going back to that $200 Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is once again watch this video right over here. In order for you to enter, watch this video, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe and you've commented, that's how I know that you have entered into the contest. And we will be reaching out to you very, very soon if you are the winner. We're going to announce the winner as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So that's the goal, guys, to get 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully you'll get a $200 Amazon gift card. And all you have to do is just watch the video, subscribe, and comment. Comment so that way I can reach out to you, and that way I can enter you into a random drawing, and hopefully you are the winner, because we do have some gift cards to give out. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Check out this video right over here or right over here if you haven't already. I hope you find those videos also as helpful. Like, subscribe, comment below. We are a graphic design channel, so look out for more videos to come. Thanks.